Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to announce that we have a really fun day planned with a whole bunch of friends and team members to have them test our newest release for Kayali, fragrance number 6, Sweet Diamond, my favorite fragrance so far. And for most of the people today, they're smelling it for the very first time. They're seeing the bottle for the very first time, so we want to capture those reactions just so you guys could understand the different feedback we got from everyone of how they feel when they wear the fragrance. So I'm so excited.
I'm really into the pink, very into the pink.
The packaging is fantastic, it's very sexy.
Oh, it's metallic, it's shiny, like it's appealing, definitely appealing. Like I just want to take it, grab it.
It's almost like a jewel.
It's stunning, like so pretty. We got pink.
The ingredients are pink pepper,
Bergamot, which I love.
saffron,
Bulgarian rose.
Vanilla orchid.
Ooh, sandalwood. Sandalwood's one of my faves.
But I'm so intrigued with pink pepper. It got me a pink.
I love any kind of fragrance that is really bold and bright and in your face.
I didn't wear any perfume for this.
Can I do it again? Just to feel more.
It takes me to Met Gala, like wearing those shimmering diamonds.
For me, it reminds me of when I first met my husband, aka my lover, my baby daddy.
So I've never been to Japan, but I think like this is Japan at night. Like a naughty night in Japan. Yeah, it's baby number 2 juice, yeah.
This fragrance just reminds me of home. It's so sensual, it's sweet, spicy, aromatic, oriental. It's absolutely beautiful.
Right now, I just want to be like in the street, like walking, like literally going to see my girls in the club, and like I see this boy passing by and it smells me and it's like, who is she?
France, Paris. I feel like I'd be on a date with my man and I'll be wearing my cutest outfit and my nicest hair and makeup and just have this on.
I'm in a field, I think, in France somewhere, the south of France. It's a beautiful day, it smells amazing. I'm picking flowers and I have a gorgeous man running after me in the meadow.
I feel like she's got the confidence of Rihanna. She's got the captivating quality of herself and is sort of enigmatic like Beyonce. But she's also got like a flirty side, so she's kind of a bit of a Katy Perry at the same time. She's kind of basically every pop diva you want in your entire life.
I would say Rihanna meets Doja Cat. Yeah, and Sweetie.
That's Beyonce. Beyonce, if you hear me, you need to wear that because it has this fierceness about it, and fierce is Beyonce, obviously. Like.
I'm going to say my girl crush, but Zendaya. Just because she's so, again, she's unusual, she's unique, she's young, fresh.
I think it's a really bad perfume, to be honest. Like, I just imagine a bad to wear this. So I think Sweetie.
Obviously pink is the Aerosmith. You know, the one that's like, pink is the special.
I want it, I smell it, I got it.
Doja Cat.
It's such a good song.
We always love you. That's
Oh, it's like a song about like love between two people. It's really beautiful.
I wanna dance with somebody. Woo, woo.
One song that I love, it's Diary from Alicia Keys, so she's coming from New York. That's perfect.
amazing, fantastic, very sexy.
Cute, feminine, flirty.
Definitely romantic, feminine, bold. Oh, I have to add sensual and seductive. It's definitely sexy. I have to add that in there.
Sweet, spicy, and sensual.
Sensual, feminine, glamorous.
Spicy, sweet, dynamic.
Spicy, sweetie, and sexy.
Sexy for sure. Sensual and really pretty. Like, I still feel like super pretty and feminine. Sorry, I went over those 3 words. I'm stopping them in the street. I mean, guy or girl, I mean, I might have to ask for his number. I think my husband would kill me.
Definitely going to be someone who knows what they want and is not afraid to be themselves and is not afraid to play with the blurred lines.
I definitely want to get up close and personal to them.
definitely vanilla 28. Together it's like sweet, sweet diamond, and it's so, so addictive. Like, this combination is fire. Fire.
I mean, I layer everything with Kayali vanilla, everything.
I know this is really sweet as well, like C, Armani C.
I would happily layer this on top of Jazz Club and have that kind of like headiness.